Hello friends, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, Pune. Standard 8, Mathematics. Lesson 6, Factorisation of Algebraic Expressions. Practice set 6.3. Hello friends, welcome to Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 6, Factorisation of Algebraic Expressions. We are going to continue with practice set 6.3. Let us factorize the fifth example under question number 1. To factorize 8p cubed minus 27 upon p cubed. Now here, we already know the factors of the expression a cube minus b cube, and let us use that formula to factorize the given expression. Okay, so as we know the formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab minus b squared. Now using this formula, let us factorize the given expression. So here I know 8p cube is in the format a cube minus 27 upon p cube is in the format b cube. So can I convert, because here we have this in the fraction form, and this 8p cube along with 27 upon p cube should be converted into a as well as b. I should know the values of a and b. So to find out the values of a and b, let me find out the cube root of both the terms. Okay, so I know cube root of 8 is 2. Let me just confirm. 2 cube is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So I can write is equal to 8. So here, instead of 8, I can write 2 cube. So here, it is going to be, this expression can be written as 8. Instead of 8, let me write 2p the whole cube. Now p cube can also be written as p the whole cube. So here 2 cube and p cube both are together. So I know now 2p the whole cube is a cube minus sign 27. Now find out the cube root of 27, which is equal to 3. I know. How come 3? Let me confirm. 3 cube is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So I can write 3 cube is 27. So instead of 27, I can write 3 cube. So here 27 can be represented as 3 the whole cube upon, now p cube is, I know, p the whole cube. So instead of writing this separately, I can also write this as 2p the whole cube minus 3 upon p the whole cube. So now I get a cube minus b cube. I have got the values of a as well as b because I need it for the factorization. To use it in this particular, to write it in the form of a cube minus b cube, I need a and b values. So I have now got a as well as b values. Let me substitute them. So substituting a as 2p and b as 3 upon p. Let me write that always in bracket, so it is better. Okay, right. Let us factorize 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube. We have already converted into a simple form here. So it will be 2p the whole cube. This is a cube minus 3 upon p the whole cube, that is b cube. So now a cube minus b cube, I can write it in the form of a minus b and So sorry, it is plus b square. So that is equal to a minus b. So a is 2b minus b is 3 upon b into a square is 2b the whole square plus ab. ab is 2b into 3 upon b plus b square is 3 upon b the whole square. Right? So let me just expand it so that I can write it clearly and properly. Okay? So that is equal to 2b minus 3 upon b into 2b into 2b is 2b square plus 2b into 3 upon 3 plus 3 upon p into 3 upon p, because it is 3 upon p the whole square. So now let me simplify this. It is equal to 2p minus 3 upon p as it is. Here 2 2's are 4, p into p is p square, so into 4p square plus, now here you have 2p into 3, so 2 3's are 6p upon p. So this p which is in the denominator can be cancelled with this p in the numerator, and directly 2p is not cancelled, it is only the p because it is 2 into p, right? So whenever there is a multiplication sign in between, you can still cancel the numerator and the denominator. So here p and p has been cancelled, so 2 3's are, I have only the value 6. Okay, so I have only 6 here plus 3 3's are 9 upon p into p is p square. So are there any kind of like terms where I can simplify this or this? No, now I have 2 factors already, so I will stop further simplification. Therefore I have got the factors of 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube is equal to 2p minus 3 upon p into 4p square plus 6 plus 9 upon p square. So I have got the factors of 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube as 2p minus 3 upon p and 4p square plus 6 plus 9 upon p square. Thank you. Yes, let us continue to factorize the 6th example, 343a cube minus 512b cube. Of course, as we know the formula, let us use the formula of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? So let us use the same formula to factorize 343a cube, 343a cube minus 512b cube. Right, now I have the same variables a cube and b cube except that the coefficients are included. So let me find out just the cube roots of the coefficients. So cube of 343 is 7, right? Because I know 7 cube is equal to 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343. So 7 cube is 343. So instead of 343, I can use 7 cube, right? The same way 512. Let me find out the cube of 512 is equal to 8, because I know 8 cube is equal to 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. So instead of 512, I can very well use 8 cube, right? So now 343a cube minus 512b cube can be written in the form of 7a the whole cube minus 8b the whole cube. So this is in the form a cube minus b cube, right? So this is a and this is b. Let me now substitute the values for a and b here to factorize 343a cube minus 512b cube by substituting a and b. Come on. So substituting a as 7a and b as 8b. Okay, let us factorize 343a cube minus 512b cube is equal to 7a the whole cube minus 8b the whole cube. Right? I have just substituted a and b. Right? So let us factorize further. So now I have a cube minus b cube. Let me write it in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so that is equal to 7a minus 8b into 7a the whole square plus ab is 7a into 8b plus 8b the whole square. Now let me expand that so that I can very clearly and correctly write the factors, okay, and write down the terms properly, simplify them in a proper way. So that is equal to 7a minus 8b into here 7a into 7a because it is 7a square plus 7a into 8b as it is. Now let me just write this here plus 8b into 8b, right? So I have now expanded all the squares. Now let me simplify it. So that is equal to 7a minus 8b into 7 sevens are 49, a into a is a square, so it is 7 sevens are 49 a square, right? Plus 7 8s are 56. A into b is ab plus 8 8s are 64. B into b is b square. That's it. So let me just check whether I have any like terms or can I further simplify this. Here it is a square, this is b square, this is ab, no, and as usual I have got two factors 7a minus 8b and 49a square plus 56ab plus 64b square as two factors of 343a cube minus 512b cube. So let me stop it here. Therefore I have got the factors of 343a cube minus 512b cube is ER 7a minus 8b and 49a square plus 56ab. Sorry, this is